In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to add depreciation of fixed assets. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and look to the top left corner of your screen. Click on New. This is where you can access different types of transactions and accounting entries. Since depreciation is typically recorded manually at the end of a period, the option we need here is Journal Entry. Go ahead and select Journal Entry to open a new entry form. Once the Journal Entry window opens, move to the first line of the entry. For this first line, select Depreciation as the account. This is the expense side of the transaction, and it's the part that records the depreciation cost for the period. After choosing that account, enter your depreciation amount in the Debits column. Make sure the amount is entered carefully, because this is what will show as the expense recognized in your books. Next, go to the second line of the journal entry. Here, select the depreciation account that is set up as the sub-account of your fixed asset. This is important because it allows the depreciation to be tied back properly to the asset on your balance sheet. Once you've selected that sub-account, enter the exact same amount, but this time in the credits column. Keeping the debit and credit amounts equal ensures that the journal entry stays balanced, which is required in QuickBooks. At this point, take a quick moment to review both lines before saving. You want to confirm that the first line shows the depreciation expense as a debit, and the second line shows the related depreciation sub-account under the fixed asset as a credit. A quick review can help prevent reporting issues later on. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That will post the journal entry to your books. After saving, you can verify that everything was entered properly by going to your balance sheet report. Once you open the report, you should now see the depreciation reflected there. This helps confirm that the fixed asset value is being adjusted correctly based on the depreciation entry you just recorded. That's all there is to it. As long as the accounts are selected correctly and the amounts match on both sides, adding depreciation in QuickBooks Online is a simple process.